In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and eco-consciousness, the amalgamation of reclaimed wood and metal into high-value eco-art masterpieces has become a compelling medium for artistic expression. Beyond mere salvage, this exploration delves deep into the artistry of sourcing these materials, uncovering the true potential of what can be created from discarded elements that might otherwise be forgotten or overlooked. The journey of finding reclaimed wood and metal is not just about gathering materials. It is a transformative process that tells stories and emphasizes sustainable craftsmanship, highlighting the unique aesthetic narratives that can be woven into modern spaces. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. The quest for reclaimed wood begins with understanding the different sources from which these materials can be obtained. Old barns, factories, furniture, and pallets are rich veins to explore, each offering unique textures, colors, and characteristics that reflect the passage of time. As artisans, the goal is to look beyond the surface and recognize the stories embedded within each piece of wood. Weathered beams from a dilapidated barn may exude rustic charm and a sense of history, while reclaimed pallets can provide a more contemporary, raw aesthetic. This diversity allows artists to select materials that resonate with their creative vision, setting the stage for masterpieces that are as much about storytelling as they are about aesthetics. When sourcing reclaimed metal, similar principles apply. Discarded industrial components, such as pipes, sheets, and machinery parts, offer an array of shapes and textures that can add depth and intrigue to art pieces. The contrast of metal against wood can evoke powerful imagery, representing the interplay between nature and industry, a concept that embodies modern, eco-conscious design. Each piece of reclaimed metal carries its own narrative, marked by wear, rust, and the fingerprints of those who once worked with it. This inherent character imparts a dynamic quality to the art, blending the ruggedness of metal with the organic charm of wood, creating a harmonious balance that captivates the eye. Acquisition strategies for reclaimed wood and metal require a blend of resourcefulness and creativity. Individuals seeking to transform their artistic aspirations into reality should consider local demolition sites, salvage yards, and even flea markets as treasure troves of potential materials. Networking with local builders and craftsmen can yield valuable connections, offering insights into where to find high-quality reclaimed materials that may not be readily advertised. Additionally, many communities have eco-friendly initiatives and organizations dedicated to promoting the reuse of materials, presenting another avenue for sourcing these precious commodities. Engaging in this exploration not only enriches the artist's material palette, but also fosters a sense of community, encouraging connections with others who share a passion for sustainable practices. Once reclaimed wood and metal are in hand, the transformation process begins, a journey that transcends mere construction. Sauntering through the workshop, artists immerse themselves in the tactile experience of working with these materials, feeling the contours of each piece, observing the unique qualities of each fragment, and envisioning how they can be brought together to create art. This experimentation allows for the emergence of new ideas and forms, guiding the creative process through intuition and hands-on engagement. Techniques such as cutting, sanding, welding, and assembling become an intimate dialogue between the artist and the materials, resulting in pieces that are not only visually stunning, but also rich with narrative and intent. One of the most fascinating aspects of utilizing reclaimed materials is the inherent beauty of imperfection. The goal is often to spotlight flaws rather than bury them under layers of finish. The knots and scars of reclaimed wood convey its story, while the rough edges and patinas of distressed metal evoke a sense of history and character. This celebration of imperfection resonates strongly in the realm of ecoart, where perfection is subjective and often eschewed in favor of authenticity. The beauty of reclaimed materials lies in their authenticity. Each piece reflects a history, a journey, and an evolution that can resonate with viewers on a personal level. The result is often a creation that feels alive, steeped in meaning, and distinct from mass-produced alternatives. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. As an artist, understanding how to blend these materials into cohesive masterpieces is essential. The union of reclaimed wood and metal can take various forms. Perhaps a sculpture that marries a large piece of driftwood with intricate metal filigree evokes the feeling of flowing water, or a wall art installation combines angular, rusted metal sheets with smooth, polished wood to create a sense of balance between opposing forces. This versatility enables artists to push the boundaries of creativity, crafting pieces that not only serve as decor, but also provoke thought and inspire conversation. Additionally, the narratives inherent in each piece can be further enriched by incorporating elements of mixed media into the artwork. Artists might choose to add textiles, glass, or even found objects to expand the story being told. Combining these materials can create a layered narrative that invites engagement from viewers, making each piece not just a visual experience, but a profound journey into the artist's intentions. By inviting other materials into play, artists can create powerful multi-sensory experiences that elevate the artwork into a realm of broader engagement, reaching beyond the visual to evoke emotional responses. Moreover, the aesthetic narratives created from reclaimed wood and metal resonate deeply with contemporary design philosophies focused on sustainability. As consumers become more conscientious about their choices, the demand for environmentally friendly art is on the rise, leading to a greater appreciation for pieces that echo these values. Artworks made from reclaimed materials not only add character to living spaces, but also tell a compelling story of renewal and resourcefulness that speaks to modern sensibilities. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to the notion that their decor can reflect their values, creating a stronger emotional connection to the items they choose to display in their homes. In this context, artwork crafted from reclaimed wood and metal becomes more than just an aesthetic choice. It is a commitment to sustainable living. Displaying eco-art pieces becomes a form of advocacy, inviting guests to reflect on their relationship with consumption and waste. Each sculpture or piece of wall art serves as a reminder that beauty can arise from what was once considered waste, encouraging others to rethink their perspectives on sustainability and the environment. This ripple effect can inspire a broader movement toward eco-consciousness in design and lifestyle choices, fostering a culture that values creativity, resourcefulness, and sustainability. Furthermore, the process of sourcing and crafting eco-art can also profoundly impact the artist personally. For many, working with reclaimed materials instills a sense of purpose and fulfillment as they actively take part in a larger ecological narrative. Each phase, from sourcing materials with intention to transforming them into something new, becomes a meditative practice that reconnects the artist with nature and the world around them. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation for the environment, motivating artists to explore further ways in which they can contribute positively to the planet through their work. As the movement of eco-conscious art continues to grow, the potential for collaboration also unfolds. Artists may find opportunities to partner with environmental organizations, community groups, or educational institutions devoted to promoting sustainability. This collaboration can manifest in public installations, workshops, or community art projects that invite others to join in the creative dialogue surrounding reclaimed materials. Such initiatives not only broaden the impact of the artwork, but also nurture a sense of community, fostering conversations about the importance of sustainability in everyday life. Ultimately, uncovering the true artistry of eco-conscious design involves more than simply sourcing reclaimed wood and metal. It calls for a holistic understanding of the stories these materials hold and the transformative power they possess. This journey demands that artists approach their craft with intention, creativity, and respect, recognizing that the discarded can be reshaped into breathtaking works of art that embody sustainability and a deep connection to the environment. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.